Hey guys, I'm Vasiri and welcome to my channel Not For The Faint Crafted. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm doing day 8 of my very special 12-day Christmas craft countdown series. Whoa, what a mouthful. And so today's video will be all about these cute Christmas decor pieces. So I made 3. So I made a small little cute cushion like this that says ho ho ho, and then I've made this cute frame, if you can see there, and also this little North Pole sign over there as well. But if you do like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. That would really help me out a lot, and if you love it, please do click that subscribe button. Right, so without further ado, let's go on to the crafts. So to make this North Pole arrow, all you'll need is a arrow sign. So I actually bought this for Poundland for a wedding. And then you'll need some paintbrushes, some red paint, some white paint, a paint palette, and some water. So firstly, taking your red paint and your paintbrush, you just want to paint your arrow, and you want to do a few layers of this so it covers the wedding sign and it's a deep red colour. And then once that's dried, you want to take a pencil and stencil out North Pole onto your arrow. And then once you've done that, you want to take your thinner paintbrush and some white paint and then go over your pencil mark. And once that's dried, you want to then take your white paint again and then just dot all around your arrow sign, and it should look something like this. And there you have it, your super quick North Pole sign is ready. So for this DIY, you'll need a frame, a pencil, a sheet of paper, a porcelain pen, or a white chalk marker. So firstly, on a sheet of paper, you want to stencil your design. So firstly, draw out a triangle shape, and then you want to start drawing 6 candles on each ends, working your way to the top. So it should look something like this. And then next, you want to draw a big star at the top with a few dotted strands around on the sides. And next you want to draw more stars inside that triangle, and you can do different sizes and place it anywhere you want. And next you want to do the same thing but draw sweet wrappers inside your triangle, again vary it in sizes and place it wherever you want. And then you want to repeat the same process by drawing out candy canes as well, again different sizes wherever you want. And then next you want to draw some heart shapes and dot this all around, and you can do different shades, different shapes, however you want it to be. You want to do the same by drawing different types of baubles, and again you can do different shapes and you can do different styles with this. So next you want to also draw a little bird shape if you want, but I liked this style so I did it, and I just drew it, just one on the bottom side. Once you've done that, your tree shape is beginning to form, and you just want to draw a heart at the bottom, some 2 strands along the side so it covers the bottom base of that triangle, and then you want to just draw a leaf design at each strand. And then next you want to then just draw some lines in those spaces, working your way down that triangle. So then following that leaf design you did before, you want to do the same with these strands, but you want to use 3 types of leaves. So firstly do ones that just connect to the line and leave a space in between. And then you want to do one where you're just drawing thin lines all the way down the strand. And then you want to do one where you're just colouring little balls at the end of the strings. So it looks something like this. And then you want to basically repeat the same process all the way around those strings, varying it up a bit. Once you've done that, you just want to dot some little circles in the gaps. And then finally at the bottom, in some squiggly font, you just want to write out Merry Christmas. There you have it, your beautiful design is ready, but now it's on to the next part. So next you then want to take your photo frame and remove the parts, and then place your design facing down on the glass, and then close this back up again. And then when turning this around, it should look something like this. So then taking your porcelain pen or chalk marker, you then want to go over your pencil design, starting from the top, working your way all through the bottom so that you don't smudge any of the designs that you've gone over. And once that's done, you want to leave this to dry for around 24 hours, and then you want to remove the back of your photo frame and then just leave the glass part and then close this up, and then your frame should look something like this. So for this DIY, you're going to need a bunch of things. You're going to need some tartan material. I actually repurposed 2 table mats. You'll need some white glitter felt. You'll need a small cushion, a ruler, some scissors, some fabric glue, a pencil, some needle and transparent thread, some pins, and some Velcro stick-on straps. So because I use table mats, you want to pin your material together if it's not long enough. And what I did was I used the tartan grids as a guideline of where I wanted to pin it, so it ended up looking straight. And once that's done, it should look something like this. And then next, taking your transparent needle and thread, you then want to sew this together. And once you're happy with it, you then want to remove those pins that you placed before, and then your material should be secure in place. So next you want to place your cushion on top of that material, and then you want to fold this up so all sides are covering that cushion. And then once you're happy with it, you want to then remove the cushion and then pin the sides down. Now you should form a pouch that looks like this. Before you start hand sewing again, you just want to place that cushion back inside that pouch so it fits snug and it's perfect. And then once you're happy with it, you just want to take that cushion out, and then taking your transparent needle and thread, start sewing along the sides. And again, once you're happy with that, you then want to remove your pins, and your pouch should be firmly sewed in place. And then next again, you want to place that cushion back inside that pouch. So next, with your Velcro stick-ons, you want to then stick this in the inside flap so that once you close it, it secures tightly in place. So now that the base of your cushion's made, you want to then add in the ho 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 onto your cushion. So what you want to do is take your white sheet felt and then stencil out 4 boxes. And then next you want to write HO in one of the boxes and then cut this out using scissors. And once you've done that, you just want to replicate this on the 3 other boxes, but make sure when you're drawing the HO that you've done it on the blank side and not the glitter side of the sheet of paper. And once you've done that, it should look something like this. I tried using the fabric glue, but it wasn't strong enough, so I had to end up using super glue. So what I did was I then just glued at the back of each alphabet and then stuck this on top of the cushion. And once that's done, your cute cushion cover is now ready. Hey guys, so I hope you liked those DIY crafts. If you did, please do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you love it, please do click that subscribe button. But yeah, if you do have a favourite, it'd be amazing to know which one's your favourite, or if you try and recreate it, that would be amazing to see. So all you need to do is just hashtag not for the faint crafted, either on Instagram or Facebook, and I should be able to find you. I've also left a sneak peek trailer for the next video, so all you need to do is just watch the very end to check that out. But other than that, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Take care, see ya, bye.